So as a real estate agent, generating more leads for your business is super crucial. In today's video, we're going to break down how we as a digital marketing agency have been able to do that for our clients, generating hundreds of leads, helping convert and helping get more sales. In this video, we're going to break down the top ads that I think are going to be great for real estate agents when they're running ads or when they're just posting organic content to be able to generate more leads for their real estate business. So we're going to break this down into two different types of ads, which are either generating more brand awareness for your brand, more engagement, things like that, or generating more leads. So we're going to break down which ads do best for each of those. So for brand awareness, the first type of ad or type of piece of content that I think a real estate professional should be hosting are home tours. Super easy. You already go to home tours a ton. Just recording your home tours when you're out there touring homes with clients or by yourself. That's really going to be able to show your expertise. That's really going to help you be able to just create easy content, and that's really going to help show different listings that you have rather than just pictures of the home, right? And so they'll be able to see you in action and see what you're doing. And also, if you can even just act like you're doing a showing in those videos, that's going to be very helpful. So number two, I think having a podcast type of video is going to be important, right? If you can even shoot your own podcast breaking down the real estate market, real estate trends and things like that, and then cutting those up into different type of videos for TikTok and things of that nature, and that's really going to help you be able to have consistent content on a daily basis. It's really going to help you stand out as a real estate professional, because then that allows you to show off your expertise, show off your knowledge, talk about current trends, talk about what people should be doing when they're looking to buy or sell their home and things like that. So the third brand awareness type of video that I think is going to be important is just a straight to the camera on your phone type of video that just allows you to talk about what's going on in your daily life as a real estate agent or a real estate professional are going to be great for you as well. But when you shoot a straight to camera video like this or like on TikTok, that's really going to help you be able to create quick content for you to be able to put out and be able to stay in front of people, and also not have to think too much about your strategy in those type of videos, but then also talk about something current, something trending, and something that a lot of people ask questions about. That's really going to be important for you. And so those type of videos are going to help you be able to stand out on these platforms because you're going to be very natural in their feed when they're going through it, right? And so that's really going to help you as well. When it comes to lead generation, there's three types of videos that I think are going to be important. Number one, I think having a unique offer is going to be important. A lot of times real estate agents say that they don't have a unique offer or they can't create an offer because it's a different industry. I think that that's false. I think there's a lot of different programs out there that you can share from that people don't know about. And there's a lot of different things that you can do to kind of get creative. Second type of content I think that does both generate leads is listings. I think sharing about different listings, but also sharing listings that aren't just for everybody. I think off-market deals are important to be able to start generating some leads. I think finding those deals is going to be important. And then also, I think a lot of people go the easy route and just finding ones that are like down the block or the areas that they are comfortable with. But I think finding listings in areas that people actually want to live in is going to be important too. I know those go by pretty quickly, but I think if you could be the first one, if you can make connections in those areas to be able to get access to those listings and things like that, that will help you start generating more leads. The third and final type of ad or type of video that will be important are area specific lead magnets. And so when I talk about area specific, I think in that area, such as let's say there's a suburban area and there's 10 homes in that area, because you compile that list together, people are going to want to download that list from you. That's going to be important to be able to generate some more leads, and that's going to be more intriguing rather than you saying, hey, let's buy or sell a home with me. So in summary, these are the best ads, pieces of content that I've seen that do well for real estate agents, for real estate professionals. If you want to generate more leads, if you want to generate more engagement for your brand, use these type of pieces of content. Let me know how they do for you, and we'll see you in the next video.